The United States is expanding social media screening requirements, and that too for several categories of non-immigrant visas. Now, under this new rule, applicants they may be required to make their social media profiles publicly accessible, and the reason is that the officials they want to review them during the visa process. Ladies and gentlemen, here the government says that the goal, well, it is to strengthen national security and just ensure that applicants they do not pose any kind of risk to their country. But let's shift our focus towards Indians. For them, the story is significant because many, rather millions of them, they apply for US visas every single year. And it has a lot of categories: students, workers, family members, professionals, etc. All rely on access to America just for education or career opportunity here. Now, many applicants they are now wondering how their online activity it could be interpreted, and whether social media, maybe post or story, and that too from years ago, it can affect visa decisions. Ladies and gentlemen, the message from Washington, it is crystal clear now. Immigration screening, it is definitely becoming more detailed, and digital footprints, they are now part of the whole process here. And yes, while the debate over immigrants it continues, another incident in Texas, it has sparked outrage across the Indian community. A viral video from Texas, it has left many Indians around the globe shocked and angry. Well, the footage, it shows a man tearing down an Indian flag while making nasty comments about what he described as an Indian invasion. The whole incident, it quickly spread across social media, with many Indian Americans calling it disrespectful and worrying that that is kind of reflecting a broader issue, basically an anti-Indian sentiment rising in the US. For many Indians, this Tiranga, the flag, it is more than just a flag. It represents sacrifice, independence, national pride, and that is why the video it struck such an emotional chord. Many community leaders they pointed out that anti-India rhetoric it has become more common online, specifically in discussions about immigration, job, demographic change. The concern is that hostility that brings on social media, it can eventually spill into real-world actions. Indian Americans have made a lot of contribution to the American society. Yet, many now feel that they are increasingly being targeted in political and cultural debates. And yes, as immigration debates become more heated, the US government is introducing new rules that could affect millions, specifically their future visa applicants.